The curve tool lets you draw a smooth curved line on your chart instead of a straight one. It's super handy when price isn't moving in a straight trend, but is instead rounding like a gentle bottom or a curved run-up. Here's how it works. Simply hop on any chart and go to the left side of TradingView. Head over to Geometric Shapes. Now you might have to scroll a little to find where curve is. Now we already have it selected, so we'll just go right here. Let's put a curve right under this bottom. Click here, then just drag it to the other end. Awesome. See how it bends as I move it? I'm following the rounded shape of price along the bottom here. You just have to let go when it matches and you're all good. Now, a rounding bottom like this is hard to mark with a straight trend line, but the curve is perfect for this. That's a great advantage of using this tool. Now, once it's down, I can grab the points and reshape it how I would like. It's great for visualizing the shape of a move when price is not running straight, but is instead curved. Other than that, have a good day, guys.